how to manage LinkedIn notifications. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can manage your notifications on LinkedIn. So let's dive right in. Open up the LinkedIn app and then head over to your profile in the top left corner and then tap on your name. Now you need to go to the gear icon to head over to the settings in the top right, and then you'll be able to see notifications at the bottom. Tap on it and you can see various notifications that you receive. So tap on searching for a job and then you can tap on allow job search notifications, and then here are more categories like job alerts, AI trainer project alerts, save jobs. You can change the notifications for each and every category. So if you want job alerts, just tap on it and then you can toggle on in-app notifications, push notifications and email as well. However, if you don't want it in your email, you can just toggle one off. So that's how it works. You can come back and then you can do the same for other categories as well. And then uh, come back and you can see hiring someone. Tap on it and you can toggle on the notifications for job post notifications. And then again, you can work on the categories here. Just tap on it and then choose where you want to get notified, and you can even choose the email frequency like individual, weekly, LinkedIn recommended, and so on. So that's it. If you want to connect with others, you can do the same for it, and then you can choose what kind of email set you want. So this is how you manage your notifications in LinkedIn. You need to manage each and every category if you want the notifications to be according to your preference. So just keep that in mind and work through your notification settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.